Hey there, David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. It's that time of year. I know it's getting colder outside. So I'm going to give you some tips on, where I've done some in the past for you, but I'm also continuing doing them, where how to help prepare your home for the colder weather, which is about to happen sooner than later. Anyway, one of the ones I sometimes myself always forget to do is to do a roof tune-up. You should probably hire somebody like a roofer that knows the ins and outs of the roofs, and you want them to come and examine your whole roof and look at the overall structure. The reason why you want to do this before it gets too cold, if you have any missing shingles or exposed roofs or have any nails that aren't nailed in, those can lead to bigger problems. For example, if you have shingles which are kind of loose and you don't really secure them, what can happen throughout the winter is that water can get underneath those shingles, and then once it turns to ice, it can start to pull up on the shingles and start to remove them, and then your roof is going to be exposed. An exposed roof is susceptible to having leaks in your attic, which can cause mold. Anyway, it's just it's a big headache. If you can nip it in the bud sooner than later, you'll save yourself tons of time and energy and headache. So do that today. Call your local roofer and have your home inspected and do a roof tune-up. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.